Everyone, welcome back. The O Lagom P64. Got this a couple months ago. Haven't taken it apart to clean it. It is a single doser, so technically it should remain quite clean. Grinding wise, it's been great. I'll switch on. Actually, it's pretty much silent. So we're gonna take it apart, and we'll have a look at exactly how dirty it is inside, how much retention there is inside. And let's start by removing the top. There you go. This is, you can see inside, it's pretty clean. Let's have a look at the, I should technically switch it off in case the bird comes in, case it comes on. Look at that. So it's pretty clean. There is a little bit there. Otherwise, yeah, after what, 2 months of use, probably 2 double shots a day, it's been pretty clean. Can't really sweep this there. There is a little bit inside these next to the screws, so you can just take a toothpick and remove those. Otherwise, yeah, it's been pretty clean. These are SSP birds. Let me see if I can find a cleaner. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Just a very quick look. As you can see, there's not much. I should have measured how much grams there is, but yeah, we'll go. Toothpick, so you can use a toothpick for this to get rid of this stuff. So, and then just put it back in. Okay, and make sure this part is clean if you can. It's going to clean the brush. Technically shouldn't use the same brush, and then just lock it back into place. There you go.